Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll help you fix Disney Plus if it's not working. Whether you're dealing with issues like buffering, login problems, or app crashes, we've got you covered with easy step-by-step solutions. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check Disney Plus server status. First, it's a good idea to check if Disney Plus is down for everyone or just you. Visit websites like Down Detector to see if there are any widespread server outages. If Disney Plus is down, you'll need to wait until they fix the issue on their end. Keep an eye on their official social media channels for updates. Step 2. Restart the app or device. Sometimes, simply restarting the app or device can solve the issue. Close the Disney Plus app. Exit the app completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Restart your device. Power off your device. Wait for a few seconds, and then power it back on. Reopen Disney Plus. Launch the app again and see if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet can cause issues like buffering or failure to load content. Run an internet speed test. Use a speed test app to check if your internet is fast enough for streaming. Disney Plus recommends at least 5 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. Restart your router. Unplug your router. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Then plug it back in to refresh your connection. Switch to a wired connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 4. Clear cache and data for app issues. If Disney Plus isn't loading correctly or keeps crashing, clearing the app's cache and data can often resolve the issue. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Disney Plus, Storage, then click Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, you can't clear the cache directly, but deleting and reinstalling the app will achieve the same result. Step 5. Update Disney Plus app or device. Outdated apps or device firmware can cause compatibility issues. Update the Disney Plus app. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Disney Plus and install any available updates. Update your device. Check if your device's operating system is up to date. For example, go to Settings, Software Update on your phone or tablet. Step 6. Reinstall Disney Plus. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Disney Plus app. Uninstall the app. Remove the Disney Plus app from your device. Reinstall. Go back to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Disney Plus, and install it again. Step 7. Check your Disney Plus subscription. Sometimes, Disney Plus won't work because of billing issues or expired subscriptions. Log into your Disney Plus account. Visit the Disney Plus website and check your subscription status under your account settings. Ensure you're logged in. Make sure you're using the correct email and password, especially if you share the account. Step 8. Contact Disney Plus support. If the issue persists after trying all the steps, contact Disney Plus customer support. They can provide more specific troubleshooting for your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more solutions to common tech problems. Thanks for watching.